In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use radio buttons in DocuSign. We'll start from the DocuSign home area, then move into a template so you can add and customize a radio button field properly. Radio buttons are useful when you want a signer to select only one option from a group, such as yes or no, or choosing one item from several choices. First, go to DocuSign. Once you're in, click on Templates. This will open the area where all of your saved templates are stored. From there, find the template you want to update. When you locate it, click the three-dot menu beside that template, and then choose Edit. After that, the template will load. Once it opens, click Next. Add fields to access the field editing options. This is where you can place interactive elements into the document for your signer. When the template field editor loads, take a quick look at the left pane. This panel contains the different fields you can add to your document, such as signatures, dates, text fields, checkboxes, and in this case, radio buttons. It's essentially your toolbox for building the signer experience. Now click on Radio, then drag and drop the radio button onto the document wherever you want the selection to appear. Make sure to place it in a clear location so it's easy for the signer to understand what they're choosing. Once the radio button is on the document, you can customize it. For example, you may add another radio button to create a group of choices, and you can also make the field required if the signer must choose an option before completing the document. This is helpful for avoiding incomplete submissions. You can also set a default radio button if you want one option to already be selected when the signer opens the document. Depending on your workflow, this can save time, but use it carefully so the default choice makes sense. Under the radio group settings, you'll also notice there are additional options available. You don't need to go too deep into them right now, but it's good to know they're there if you want more control later. Once you're done configuring the field, click Save as Custom Field. A confirmation pop-up will appear, letting you know the custom field has been saved. Then click Save to keep your changes in the template. If everything looks good and you're sure you're finished, click Save and Close. DocuSign will return you to the templates list screen. And that's it! You've successfully added and customized radio buttons in a DocuSign template. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.